Hey everyone, today in this video we are going to see how to fix Acer laptop arrows not working. If you are having trouble with the arrows key on your Acer laptop, let's go through some troubleshooting steps to help identify and fix the issue. Check for physical damage or a debris. Inspect the keys. Look for any visible damage or a debris that might be blocking the arrow keys. Carefully clean around the keys to eliminate any dust or particles. Toggle the function key. Function lock. Some Acer laptop have an function lock feature that can alter the behavior of function keys. Try pressing the function key along with the F7 key or the key with a touchpad icon to see if this resolves the issue. Update or reinstall keyboard driver. Access device manager, press Windows plus X and select device manager. Update driver, expand the keyboard section. Right click on your keyboard device and select update driver. Choose search automatically for updated driver software. Reinstall driver. If updating doesn't help, right click on the keyboard device and select uninstall device. Restart your laptop. Windows should automatically reinstall the appropriate driver. Check keyboard settings. Ease of access settings. Go to settings, then go to ease of access, then keyboard. Ensure that sticky keys and filter keys are turned off as these can affect keyboard functionality. Test in safe mode. Boot in safe mode. Restart your computer and press F8 or Shift plus 8 during startup to access safe mode. Test the arrow keys. If the keys work in safe mode, a third party application or a driver might be causing the issue. Consider uninstalling recent software or performing a system restore. External keyboard test. Connect an external keyboard, plug a USB keyboard into your laptop. Check functionality. If the arrow keys on the external keyboard are functioning, the problem is likely with the laptop's built in keyboard, which may need professional repair. If the arrow keys remain unresponsive after these steps, it could suggest a hardware issues. In that case, I suggest reaching out to Acer support or visiting a certified technician for further help.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.